Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to increase FAB credit card limit. So first, you just have to log into mobile application. So start by opening the FAB mobile banking application and then just ensure that you have the latest FAB mobile app installed and log in securely using your credentials or biometric ID. Next step is to select your credit card. So tap on the specific card that you wish to increase the limit for the view to its dashboard. So from the home screen, just find the cards section and select the credit card that you want to modify. Next is to choose service requests. So look for the service request or card management option with the card's dashboard. So you will just see it in there, so you just have to select it. Next is to request limit increase. So specify the new limit that you are requesting. So you may also be prompted to upload supporting documents, like for example, the latest salary slip or the employment letter. So you just have to see it in there to tap on the request card, limit increase, and then specify the limit that you're requesting. And lastly is to upload documents and confirm. So you have to upload the income proof, review, and confirm the request. So upload your income documents if required, and then submit the request, and then the FAB will review your application and you will receive an SMS or email confirmation. So you just have to be patient and wait for the approval, and that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!